I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Gmail.com or the Gmail app and signing in with your Google account. Create one if needed. Once signed in, make sure to enable two-step verification and add a recovery email or phone to avoid lockout. Next, glance at the inbox tabs, primary, social, promotions, and adjust which tabs show via settings so important mail surfaces first. This reduces clutter and speeds daily triage. You start composing by clicking Compose and filling to CC, BCC, and Subject. Use formatting and attachments to make messages clear. Once done, set up labels and filters to auto-organize incoming mail. Create a filter from a search and choose Apply Label or Skip Inbox to automate workflow. Make sure to learn search operators like from, subject, has, attachment before, after, so you can find messages instantly. This combination, you finish by configuring settings. Add a signature, set a vacation responder, pick an inbox type, and enable forwarding if needed so messages route correctly. Then use Undo Send, Schedule Send, and Snooze to control timing. Enable Smart Compose to speed writing. If mail goes missing, check spam and filters, confirm forwarding rules, and verify you haven't exceeded storage. If problems persist, clear your browser cache or try a different browser. These steps resolve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.